connection. I am nervous as all heck on Wonder Woman Flight of Courage.
All right, Nico.
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
Oh, it is bright.
This is what they pay to see. Oh boy!
We are not messing around.
Don't throw up on me. Oh, beautiful view.
All right.
With the absolute of terror.
I don't know what this is, but I feel like a bat. Mother of Moses.
Oh, my hand.
All right. Here we go. This here crazy roll.
Oh, man.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. The airplane is for real.
Oh my gosh, we get so close.
Whoa. I wasn't expecting that.
Oh my God.
Whoa, I wasn't expecting that either.
Buddy home.
Whoa, that was a little wild.
Oh, man.
Oh, that is a one and done.
Yeah. How was that, Nico?
That was insane.
Oh, man.
Wonder Woman does not mess around at all.
Truly a flight of courage.
Oh, she made me cry. All right, come to Six Flags Magic Mountain to check out Wonder Woman Flight of Courage, the 20th coaster here.